One Imphal West SDC office staff member and an IDP sustained injuries in an alleged unprovoked attack by members of Kuki community while inspecting abandoned Meitei houses at Kanto, Premnagar in Imphal West district today around noon. The incident occurred when a joint team comprising SDC office officials, IDP representatives and security personnel visited the area to assess the condition of abandoned Meitei houses left deserted in the wake of the ongoing crisis. Speaking to media, convener of Khurkhul Mandop Yumpham Relief Camp Management Committee, R.K. Sanahal, who was present during the incident, said that around 11 a.m., SDPO Lamphel and Segmai Police Station OC along with CRPF, Indian Army GR personnel, SDC Segmai staff, SDC headquarters officials and 2 IDP representatives arrived at Kanto, Premnagar. The team inspected around 10 abandoned Meitei houses and took photographs of the houses. However, as the resettlement inspection team was preparing to move to a nearby location, a group of Kuki men and women allegedly armed with clubs, axes and stones suddenly confronted and attacked the team. Security forces instructed the group to leave immediately. Subsequently, the team retreated toward Leimakhong ex-servicemen colony. Sanahal alleged that near the colony gate, another group of Kuki individuals arrived in a vehicle and attempted a second attack while brandishing similar weapons. Strongly condemning the incident, Sanahal said it was alarming that despite the presence of a large army camp and significant security deployment in the area, armed civilians were able to launch repeated attacks. He also criticized security forces for not using tear gas or rubber bullets to disperse the aggressors, instead asking the visiting team to withdraw from the site. He urged authorities to take strict action to prevent such incidents and ensure the safety of civilians and government staff in sensitive area.
Assessment tauba photo kappa loisalakpa matung sida khoi khanghodana mafamduda lairamba kuki kun mukna nung chai amadi thang paidana tanarakpodagi khoise chellaba matungda amuk ex-servicemen colony gi hajen romjida bolero da moi mi manga taruk nupa nupi khaga yaroga laaga du singjang thang ke ga pairaga khoi mayamda hat ke tukke tarkoi matung sida koi mayamna sepaina kra kamda khamjin toroga janthorok matung moina nung thomjalakpadagi koi SDC gi staff ama amadi koi ai jamin na ba IDP ama soe ha in hajening si koi security fajana ire security si yami sipai yauri nip CRPF yauri police yauri yauna simaina koi kesu toroi haina koi assessment changsi yum tau haina changaga kuki sina hat ke tukke tawu matamda security sina karimata koi bu ngakpi san bidaba kana chelo haina sumaina tawibasi koi yam nungaijade